Okay.
Kasi magkakaibigan tayo.
Yes.
Mas kaibigan ko kayo kaysa kay former speaker.
Yes.
Pero ako bilang tayo nananalangin ng sabay, gusto ko lang, kung may pinirmahan gentleman's agreement, let us be gentlemen. That's all, nothing personal.
Very good. At least ngayon may prinsipyo ka na.
Dati naman eh.
Oh, dati naman. Sige.
Magkakaibigan tayo because I always remember the
but
good things together.
You have a weird way of loving people eh. Tinitira mo yung mga taong mahal mo eh.
That's not
No, that's true. That happened to Lauren Legarda. That happened to me. That happened to many of your friends.
There, I beg to disagree.
No.
It was not I who
Let's not go
hindi ako
there.
tumira kay
Let's
Lauren
not go
Legarda.
there. I was just reacting to you. You're under oath. Alam
Yes,
natin
sir.
yan.
No.
You're under oath, Mr. Chair. Wag natin ilihis yung issue. Ang issue dito kasi, was this a PR job? Was this a hatchet job nung Tribune na imbis na nakatulong na masolve natin tong scam na to, ay ang nangyari, kasi hindi naman si El Mercato issue dito eh. Yung issue dito, yung 100,000 dolyar at mas importante, yung 100,000 Pilipino. Di ba?
Let me answer.
So kung let me finish. So kung sunod-sunod yung articles natin at binanatan, I don't mind. Dapat binanatan nyo pa ang kung sino OIC ng DMW, binanatan nyo. Kung sino ang Foreign Affairs, binanatan nyo yung ambassador, binanatan nyo lahat. I don't care. Banatan nyo si Kato, okay. Pero nag-target kayo ng isa lang eh. And then halatang-halata sa banner nyo, ang nakalagay sa banner nyo, recall. So gusto nyong alisin. That's why I'm asking you, sir, let's stick to the issue. Okay, but you do run a PR company.
That's right, Your Honor.
Yeah, so you are a PR, public relations
Yes, Your Honor.
practitioner. Yes. So wala bang conflict na ikaw ay PR and then ikaw ay publisher?
Sir,
No.
ako'y-
Answer my question.
Nung ako'y naging publisher or presidente ko actually, no? Ako po'y huminto ng PR. Pag may lumalapit sa akin pa-PR, ang ginagawa ko, kinukuha ko dokumento, pinapublish namin free of charge.
So when was this, sir? When did you stop being a PR?
More than 5 years ago.
That's not true because during Duterte's time, I know for a fact you were active as a PR. So you were a PR while you were a publisher. I know for a fact.
No. I was not a PR, sir. I was just like when you run for the vice presidency, I was helping you. I was helping the Duterte administration.
Yes,
but
as a
that's
PR.
not
As a PR.
no, sir, because I never get
No,
paid for that.
you would say hindi ikaw ang magaling sumulat pero magaling sumulat wife mo, and then you can what you can do is may kilala ka sa ibang papers at ilalabas mo ito. That's how you were helping. 'Di ba? You're not a policy guy, you're not a political guy, you're a PR.
Sir,
No, ikaw nag-bring up, hindi ako eh. Sabi mo, tinulungan mo ako nung vice president ako.
Yes.
Kasama din tayo sa Villar campaign. Kaya tinanong kita, sabi mo kasi 5 years. So sabi ko kung 5 years, mukhang mali. Kasi wala pang 2 years si President Bongbong eh. 'Di ba? Nung speaker ako, nagpi-PR ka na eh. Marami kang klienteng PR eh. Di ba
Sir.
the former speaker was also your client?
he was never my client.
Tinutulungan mo lang.
No, sir. I was just for kung ano tama.
Are you a PR practitioner or are you publisher? Are you both?
No, sir, because
No, what?
yung lumabas
Please clarify,
po.
sir.
No, yung lumabas po.
No, sir, that's
sa
not my
Daily
question.
Tribune,
Please answer my question. My question is, are you a practicing PR?
I am not because I'm
Not.
the president of a
Yes.
newspaper.
Now, sir.
Yes, sir.
But you said for the past 5 years, and I know for a fact you were practicing during Duterte's time as a PR. You were offering yourself as a PR. You were telling people, pwede ka maglabas ng mga storya.
Sir, that's not true. Hindi po ako nag-o-offer ng serbisyo ko. Sila po ang lumalapit sa akin in all humility.
Okay. Then thank you, Mr. Chair. Inamin din niya. Ang kaibahan lang, hindi niya inoffer, siya ang nilalapitan. But that's, so I'll stop there, Mr. Chair. This is my point, Mr. Chair. Mahaba pa, marami pa. If I can just close one question with DFA
Okay.
and
One
DFA,
last question.
Tapos na po. Last question.